Trish, and this is Fold of the Week, a show where I share powerful print marketing ideas to help you achieve success on any budget. Well, I've been really focused on practical ideas lately, which are entirely necessary to have in your repertoire, especially during challenging times, but let's break out this week with something a bit more daring from a design perspective. I've got two variations on creative angled gatefolds, so let's take a closer look. This first example is a higher ed mailer, and it's great for lots of reasons. I believe this mailed in a clear envelope, there's a mailing panel on the back, and an angled cover flap on the front. This is for the University of Kansas, so bold school colors, great peek of the Kansas Jayhawk mascot, love the clean and simple messaging on the angled panels as you open it, and the follow-through on the poster spread. Who wouldn't want to go to orientation? As you can see, it's a big rectangle with strategically placed angled folds that allow it to fold down into a mailable format, and the end result is fun, edgy, and unique. Now let's change the paper, the mood, the audience, and the subject matter. This exciting self-mailer for BMW features the same fold, but in a slightly different configuration. The previous sample featured an angled cover panel, but this design features all of the angled panels on the inside, which is easier from a mailing perspective. The angled panels offer a lot of drama for bold typography and a stylish frame for a glamour shot of the car. One quick thing I'll show you here is that with a few tweaks to the score placement, this could easily switch to an angled cover. Same goes for the Kansas sample. The cover could tuck in like the BMW sample. Just depends upon the desired viewer experience, how you want to take people through your content, and your mailing budget might drive some of these decisions as well. With folds in different directions like these, you do have to be a little careful with the paper weight or they won't fold flat, so it's always worth asking your printer for guidance and making a paper dummy before committing to the weight. However, 80-pound text is a good starting point in this case. Regarding production, this format is often hand-folded, but some printers will fold it on a folder gluer machine if the quantities are high enough to justify the setup. Hard to believe this can be machine folded. Very cool. If you can't get enough of these angled gate ideas and you'd like to see two more designs, check out episodes 113 and 293. A very special thanks to the creators of the samples featured in this episode for sharing their solutions with us. If you've ever been inspired by something you've seen on the show, please consider folding it forward and sharing your work too. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit foldfactory.com, and remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.